Good morning, guys. It is a beautiful morning here in Iceland. Check this out. We are in Vik today. It's day 5 of our trip. We got this beautiful church behind me. It's about 9 a.m. right now. About 20 minutes ago, there was nobody here. It's definitely windy right now, as you can tell. But we're gonna head back right now, get some breakfast, and get this day started. Alrighty guys, so we just finished some insane drone shots. Check this canyon out. This is pretty cool. We decided not to walk to the end of it. We're just gonna let the drone do the work for us this time. We're gonna head back, head to our next destination. It's glacier time. Alrighty guys, so we are next to this iceberg here, and check this out. It's literally melting right in front of us. And this place is super epic. We got icebergs drifting out, and we got some pretty cool drone shots. Alrighty guys, so we are right across Diamond Beach right now. And check this out. This is absolutely insane. We have icebergs behind me, glaciers over there. We're experiencing the midnight sun here in Iceland. It's 11 p.m. right now. We are touching an iceberg from the glacier. It's past 12 a.m. right now, and we're just exploring the beach, having fun, just trying not to freeze. It's like 40 degrees right now, and the sun is setting. So beautiful, guys.